Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Bernice and you're welcome to Bernice's Kitchen. So today I'll be making this air fried chicken wings. First, I'll cut the wings and then pat it dry with some paper towel. Because to achieve the crispy skin, we do not want to have any form of moisture on this chicken. Okay? Yeah. Next, I'll add in my spices, which is the onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. This gives it that beautiful look. Chili pepper, that is hot cayenne pepper, salt to taste, seasoning, and baking powder. Then I'll go ahead and rub in the spices into the chicken and add some olive oil to it. Note guys, this baking powder helps draws out the moisture. I know people like baking powder in chicken wings. Yeah, this helps draws out the moisture from the chicken wings, and it also helps in breaking down the protein. In other words, making this chicken crispy on the outside, like the skin crispy on the outside but very moist on the inside. Guys, when you try this recipe, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah. So after rubbing in the oil into the chicken wings, I'm just going to go ahead and cover these with a cling wrap and marinate overnight, at least for an hour. If you want to do this, if you're in a haste, you can just marinate these for at least an hour. Okay, yeah. So I'll just put this into the refrigerator. So I'll go ahead and spray the mesh with some oil. This will avoid the wings from sticking to it. Then I'll place the wings into the air fryer. So I'll not overlap the wings, but you can do that, but I just don't want to overlap it. I just want everything to cook perfectly, like to perfection. Okay, yeah. So after placing the chicken wings into the air fryer, I'm going to cook these at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and I'm going to give this a turn halfway 10 minutes after cooking this. I'm going to open it and just flip it over. All right, yeah. So this is 10 minutes later, and I'm just going to open this to flip it over, and guys, this chicken is almost done. So but nevertheless, I'll still give it a turn. Like, I'll just flip it over and I'll cook this for 5 minutes more. Yeah, I'm not going to cook this for the remaining 10 minutes. I will just cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, because if I cook it for that 10 minutes, this chicken is going to be overcooked. So guys, I cooked these wings at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Can you see how beautiful these chicken wings are looking? Like, they are looking beautiful and they're sitting pretty in that air fryer, isn't it? You feel like taking one. Yeah, just go ahead and take one. So yeah, our chicken wings, it's ready. It's just crispy on the outside and it's very moist on the inside. Guys, I'm so sorry, I didn't even remember to show you guys how it looked inside because I was just carried away. Like, when I mean carried away, I was carried away. I was just eating, and after eating I was like, oh my goodness, I didn't remember to show you guys how it looked like. But anyways, when you try it, you will know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, it's cooked inside. I was just showing you this perfectly cooked. When I mean it was juicy on the inside, these chicken wings was juicy on the inside. Yeah, so I'm going to serve this with some coleslaw, and you can use any dressing of your choice, or any dressing of your choice. You can use either tomato sauce or anything to have these chicken wings, or you can also eat it as it is with some soft drink okay, and just relax or chillax. All right, it's very important, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all, and thank you for watching and supporting my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to and give me a thumbs up. Okay, see you in my next video. I love you all. Mwah. Bye, and please stay safe. Okay, bye.